guys, it's Dave with Boat Drives, and today we are in a 2023 GR Corolla. This is Toyota's hot hatch rally car competitor, competing with the likes of the Subaru WRX, the VW Golf R, Civic Type R, all the hot hatch 4-cylinders. But we have a turbocharged 3-cylinder, 300 horsepower, 1.6 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. Sounds like a half a V6, sounds pretty cool. We also get, as the standard powertrain, 6-speed manual and 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive with various different torque splits. Right now we are in GR4 60/40, 40% in the rear, 60% in the front. While we're sitting here at this light, let's take a look at this amenities, because essentially this is just a Toyota Corolla stiffened and given a couple luxury amenities to kind of meet that price point of around 38 grand. And what that essentially gives you is a lot of visibility, a pretty small car, has some cheaper materials overall, some cheaper cab materials, not the most luxury features, but we do have a couple packages in here, such as the cold weather package, which includes heated front seats, heated steering wheel. We also get the technology package, which includes wireless charging, down there, a JBL sound system, and we also have the performance pack, which includes front limited slip differentials and red brake calipers. Overall, first impressions, I like the steering rev matching feature, which I have turned on. And we hear a little bit of that charismatic 3-cylinder and a little bit of a turbo blow-off. We also get this lovely 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, which has a lot of relevant information for your driving, boost pressures, speedometer, all that good stuff. And we get this 8.3-inch touchscreen with wireless CarPlay as standard. Now, before we continue driving, let's just take a quick walk around of this GR Corolla. Painted in this black. Just look at this, I love it. It's a Corolla hatchback, but has a totally special front grille, including this GR badging. Very unique to the car. We got some canards, these 18-inch alloy wheels, those red brakes, Pilot Sport 4S's, GR badging, and all of that 300 horsepower is put through a lovely triple exhaust. Lovely. Now, while this is still a hatch, it's not the biggest hatch, not the biggest amount of space, and underneath here we don't get a spare tire because the rear differential all-wheel drive running gear kind of takes that up. But man, just look at this rear end, look at the haunches to make this look like a rally sporty car, and those triple exhausts, GR badging, like the GR4 and like the side skirts as well, really gives it a stance, and just some nice little Easter eggs. And once you get inside, there's a little bit of a short ingress, but sitting behind myself, 5'10", plenty of headroom. I'd say about maybe like 1.5 inches or 2 fingers, lots of leg room. Pretty Spartan back here. We do get a center cup holder, and we don't get a center console, but overall it's usable. I've heard that car seats are kind of an issue depending on the size, but still, it's a very maneuverable, very just good looking car with a lot of character. I do like this interior. It's functional, physical climate controls, physical controls for every function you need. It does lack that storage, as I mentioned. We still get some USBs, which is nice. Cigarette lighter, mechanical handbrake, and that shifter. We'll talk more about that. Let's get back on the road. First camera, not the best quality, you know, typical Toyota, low resolution, but still good visibility, viewing angle. It's really all you need though. No sunroof in this GR Corolla, extra rigidity, but makes up for it for being quite the rowdy beast. love the sound of this 3-cylinder. Not a lot of power at the low end, but once you get up to 3,000 RPM, that turbo boost kicks in. You get some blow-off noises, and the car pulls pretty fast. I think it gets 0 to 60 in around like 5 seconds. Now, the ride quality, a little bit bouncy, a little bit firm, but nothing I don't like myself. There is no adjustable dampers, but you do get some drive modes. We're in normal, switch it up to sport in a little bit, and you also get a custom drive mode, which I think you can do various settings like powertrain, steering, and your air conditioner. What an interesting one. I like how it changes the digital gauge cluster. That's pretty cool. Sport, see what that does. Love the sound of this 3-cylinder. Car wants to pull, it wants to be egged on. We have this nice manual shifter. The gates are pretty well defined, and I really like the feel of it. It's got a nice notchy feeling. This cabin is nice and spacious, but also nice and compact. You feel very snug in here, very race car-like. I believe this average is about 21 mpg in the city, 29 on the highway. I'll throw up the real numbers on the screen. You also get adaptive cruise control, part of that Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Nice little rev limiter action back there. Car likes to go through the gears, really hit that power band. Nice short shifts, nice charismatic shifts as you go through the rev range. Nice mechanical grip, really impressive. Car does not want to oversteer whatsoever. Really nice, nimble, good steering, got a good weight to it, but it's not overly unresponsive. You have some feeling about what's going on in the front of the chassis. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on this GR Corolla. Would you consider buying one, or would you get one of the other brands like the Golf R, the Civic Type R, the Subaru WX? Or do you like what Toyota has to offer? Anyways, it's been Dave with POV Drives, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.